Law enforcing agencies sing na leba asigi law sing Ningthina Khangna Amadi Chunaba law Shijinnaduna Thabak Touba Heigadabani haina High Court of Manipur ki Chief Justice Imphal Somashekar na phongdokre. Manipur State Legal Services Authority MAS Malsagi Miyang Makhada District Level Services Authority DLSA District and Session Court Bisnupuramadi Royal Academy of Law Oinamgi dedicated Mediation Center na Kusamnana Sinduna Areas and Detention under Criminal Laws BNAs BNSS BSA 2023 and its impact on serious offenses and electronic evidentiary issues high hiramda nomagi oiba legal awareness program mangase Royal Academy of Law oinamgi seminar hold pang thokre Thoromadan Atoiba Metunglen on the Saru Yakiba High Court of Manipur Chief Justice Imphal Somashekar na Phongdokibada Police District Magistrate Yauna Law Enforcing Agencies Singna Leva Asida Ladiba Law Sing Ningthina Khangna Amadi Chunaba Chunaba Law Shijinnaduna Thabak Touba Tangai Fade Case ama thokpada physical harassment mental harassment haibasi heptamak haibada lui Mioibagi brainda neuron crore Mariputaru Yauribani, Masina Kari Fawi, Kari Khangi Haibasu, Khang Masangi Haiki. Chief Justice Namakha Taraduna, Legal Services Kamari Lenana, Wangang wa Thabak Touba Yamalui, X Singasiki Close Kaya, Khang Dabayade, FIR Chanba Sarsit Lankatpa, Victim Gi, Compensation Sing Karamna, Fangangani, Khangmamar Oi, Masiga Luinana, Fundamental Rights, Statutory Rights Yauna. Lairiba rights sing ngakpasu Heigadabani haiki Tharungi manung sanna Bisnupur District ASP KSS Ravi Kumar Additional ASP Law and Order Bisnupur Y Premjit Amadi DLSA gi yauna law Khangna mathau tauriba law implementing agencies sing mioi singbu nat ki lengyan yanduna taramna oki masiki thoromaduda High Court of Manipur gi Justice Antim Bimol Registrar General Ozias Mutumamasu Manipur University Kansipur ge Law Department gi Head Dr. Yumnam Premanandasu Saruyaki DLAS Bisnupur gi T.S. Johnson Judicial Magistrate First Class Kaksing Nira Sinam Judicial First Class Bisnupur Rasuri Yambemsu Thorom Adugi Wangang Luising Oiki
Life and death in the hands of the judiciary. We are always dealing the fundamental rights, constitutional rights, statutory rights, and natural rights, and ultimately human rights. That is most important rights, human rights. Even though awarded death penalty by a session judge, by a trial judge, awarded death penalty to the extent of an offence in which he has committed, but his body is disposed of by hang him to death. But his soul is an eternal. The soul is an eternal because of the reason consciously section 499 and 5PC has been enacted by the Lord Macaulay. The soul is always lingering some justice. Because of the reasons we must be rendering justice, it is firstly to the body, nextly to the soul. The soul is an eternal. Because of the reasons the judge posed the investigating agency's powers and function and the role of an advocate, it is not so easy to define it.